Hello beautiful souls and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing a what I eat in a day in a fat loss phase. So we're talking lowering calories, staying with high protein. So if that's content that you like to see, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump right into today's video. Hello beautiful, thank you so much for being here. If this is your first video with me, what's up? My name is Charlene Town and I talk all things healthy lifestyle and sustainable weight loss. So if that's content that you like to see, then you're in the right place. Like I said, today I am taking you through a what I eat in a day during my fat loss phase. If you've been here for a little bit, you know that on September 1st, I started an 8-week fat loss phase. And what that means is that I am lowering my calories a little bit, but I'm still maintaining my high protein diet so that I continue to build muscle, but I start to lose fat, because the goal is fat loss, not weight loss. When you are just in a calorie deficit and you're not concerned about what you're eating, you're just making sure to eat in a calorie deficit, you're going to lose weight all over. That means muscle mass and fat loss, okay? But when you maintain a high amount of protein, lifting heavy weights, and eating in a caloric deficit, you're gonna burn fat. You're gonna lose fat, not overall weight loss, okay? So before I jump into today's video, I just wanna quickly share with you that I am eating high protein recipes. I created the Empower Your Plate High Protein Recipe ebook, and my goal for this fat loss phase is to enjoy the foods that I eat and to not hate being in a fat loss phase. Like, I don't want to be hungry. The goal is to have an enjoyable experience, because in the past I've only ever done weight loss overall, and I just cut my calories more, and I moved my body more, and I was really hungry, and I had this really negative relationship with my body and with food, and I'm not going back there. I've built a really healthy relationship with my body. I've built a really healthy relationship with food. And so if you've seen previous videos of mine, you know that I went through a 45-pound weight loss journey. I maintained that weight loss for 5 years, and then last year my cortisol levels went really high, and it didn't matter that I was eating the same healthy foods. My body just put on weight, and I learned that when you have extremely high cortisol levels, it doesn't matter if you eat a salad. Your body is always looking for quick energy because it's in fight or flight all the time. And so it was taking my salads and my healthy smoothies and my healthy meals and converting them to sugar and storing them as fat. So I put on a little bit of weight last year, and I've been working out since February, and I'm ready to shed the excess fat that I accumulated last year. But I want to do it in a healthy way. I want to do it in a fun way. I want to do it in a way that I still love my body, and I'm celebrating my body, and I'm loving her for who she is. I'm not hating and shaming her into something else, right? Like, I'm loving her throughout the whole journey. Without further ado, let's jump into today's what I eat in a day. I start my morning, and I know this is not the best for everybody, but for me, it just works for me. I do a cup of black coffee. I am currently working on like a coffee creamer to put in it that's clean and delicious and that has some kind of protein in it so that it fuels my body in the morning, because coffee is my favorite pre-workout and it just makes me happy. And I do 1 cup of half-calf black coffee, so it's just perfect for me, and I love it as my pre-workout. I also take my Seed Symbiotic every single morning. It's really good for gut health, for your skin. I have been taking it for the last 4 years now, and I really enjoy it. Once I'm done with my morning routine, it is time for me to jump into my workout. I am currently working through Sydney Cummings. It's an old workout program from several months ago called Process. It's another 3-month program. I just finished her Summertime Fine program, and I just absolutely love it. And I love the way she structures her 3-month programs. And because I'm doing an 8-week fat loss phase, I wanted to make sure to do a program that was structured in a way that's going to be progressive overload. I kind of know how she builds her program, so I know that we're going to build onto this program in month 2. And so I just know that we'll be working through progressive overload. And so that's why I chose this program. I will have the playlist for the Process program listed in the description box down below if you guys want to check it out. I love Sydney Cummings workouts. They are my all-time favorite. But my big goal goal this year has just been progressive overload, trying to build my muscle mass, muscle strength. And so I'm working on progressive overload and moving my body. So that's part of this fat loss phase, is trying to build muscle and lose fat. Once my workout is done, it is so important for me to fuel my body. So now it's time to make breakfast. And you guys, today was a hectic morning because my husband had to leave for an early morning meeting. I didn't know that. So Liv was just all over the kitchen. So as you can see, I am sauteing some vegetables. I didn't have time to prep that ahead of time, so I just cut up some vegetables from our garden. I did zucchini, bell pepper, and some tomatoes. And then if you guys have the Empower Your Plate recipe book, this is the Hawaiian chicken burger. We made them the night before, and so I just took a 4-ounce patty and I cut it up. That gave me a little over 27 grams of protein. So then I just included 1 whole egg and 3 tablespoons of egg white, which gave me 11 grams more protein. So this was 38 grams of protein. Veggies, I put a handful of mixed greens in there, and this was so satiating. It's so delicious. I absolutely love it. And adding a little bit of turkey or hamburger or something, like some kind of meat from the night before, just makes hitting my protein goal really easy in the morning. This is also really high protein and lower calorie, and so just really works well for this. During this fat loss phase, I am tracking my food in an app, and I'm pleasantly surprised that this is the first time I've tracked my food in an app this consistently. For the last 5 days, I've been very consistent about logging my food, and there's been no guilt, no shame. Like, I just want to make sure I'm hitting my goals. I want to see where I'm at calorie intake wise, how my body's feeling. Like, am I really hungry at the end of the night? Am I not hungry at the end of the night? And the Cronometer app has been so easy to use, and I absolutely love all of the information that it has. So it shows you, what your macros are. You can build recipes, and it's just been so quick, so easy, and I absolutely love it. So I will link it in the description box down below so you guys can check it out if you guys are interested in tracking your food. I just think that it's essential to track my food during this phase, because I have not tracked my food in years and years and years, because it used to trigger me into not eating. Like, I had a really negative relationship with food, and I thought that if I ate too many calories that it was like I was gonna get fat and like all of this thing. And now I just look at it as information, because I've done a lot of healing work around my body and food and all of that stuff. So if you're interested in that journey, let me know in the comments down below. I created an entire program called Nourish 360 that teaches you how to eat right for your body and learn how to love and appreciate your body and listen to your body and know what's best for your body at all times. Because for me, I just have to know that it doesn't matter how many calories the app says. Like, if my body is telling me I am so hungry, I'm gonna eat. Whereas back in the day, I'd been like, I hit my 1250 calories, I'm done for the day, and just been like starving and crazy and not good. And 1250 calories is not good for anybody. You should never be eating that low. It also really led to a binge and restrict cycle, which is not good. After I dropped Liv off at school, I picked up coffee from one of my favorite little coffee shops. I absolutely love it, and I just got an Americano, and I got my friend an Americano, and we went for a beautiful hike. It was so gorgeous today, you guys, and it was just so good for the soul to meet up with my friend and have a cup of coffee. We did 3 miles. That's another part of this fat loss phase, is I'm really trying to incorporate anywhere from 8,500 to 10,000 steps a day. That's my goal, and I just want it to be really realistic, because it depends on the type of day that I'm having and honestly how my body's feeling. I do have psoriatic arthritis, and so it's important for me to listen to my body. So I gave myself some wiggle room, and we blew that out of the park today, so that's really exciting. All right, you guys are gonna have to excuse my messy house. It's been a crazy day. Liv and I are leaving for camping tomorrow, so getting the camp food ready and meal prepping food and just all of the stuff. As you saw, I went on a beautiful hike with my girlfriend, and we had so much fun. We talked so long. It was so amazing. My soul is so full. And to be honest, I'm not super hungry, but I've got to go get Liv really soon. So I will probably, by the time I get her and we get back, I'll be hungry. So I'm gonna make myself a smoothie. I will make Liv a smoothie too, because she'll want one if I have one. I'm gonna make my chocolate peanut butter smoothie. It's my favorite. It's so good, and it's like the only thing I really want right now. So I've got to go pick up Liv, but let's make a smoothie really quick. Oh my goodness, you guys. Today's the first official day of the Let's Get Moving challenge. Sorry, my dogs are right here. And almost 100 of you guys have signed up for this challenge already, and I am so excited. And just so you guys know, if you're new here, what's up? And I just wanted to do like a free, fun, Let's Get Moving challenge to get you remotivated to either start your healthy lifestyle or just get you moving throughout the day. And so whatever day it is, it doesn't matter. That's why I didn't make it like a specific start date. It's just whenever, 30 days, start today, come join us. I created a hashtag, Let's Get Moving challenge. Come find me on Instagram. I'm at CharleneTown_. Tag me in your videos or posts so I can cheer you on and shout you out. And we're just having so much fun with it. Like I said, almost 100 of you have already signed up, and it's only been live for like, I don't know, like 6 or 8 hours. It's wild. I'm so happy to have you guys all here. This is just homemade almond milk, in case you're wondering. I started making my own to get rid of emulsifiers. Hi, buddy. Is it hot outside? It's really hot outside, so they're ready to be inside. Mixed greens, always, always. If you guys know, you know, I'm a Tropeaka protein lover. They're a plant-based protein, and they just digest really well in my body. They're my favorite. I think I have a code through September if you want to get 15% off your first order. I will leave the information in the description box down below if you want to check them out. I've been using them for, gosh, since before Liv was born. That's where I base everything on, and Liv is 6, so 8 years probably. And they just reached out to me a couple months ago and gave me a code because I've been talking about their products since I started it 6 years ago. So they were kind enough to give you guys a code. Oh, let's do our squats. I already did mine for the channel, but we'll do ours here. 10 squats. 10 squats, you guys. That's all we need. And that's it. Let's get moving. Part 2 done. I'm checking in all the time over on Instagram, here to cheer you guys on. I'm so excited for the next 30 days. And whenever it is that you're joining us, come join us. The link is in the description box down below, or just comment Let's Get Moving and I will send you the link. You can also say I'm doing the challenge, put it on this video so that more people can like your comment to remind you to do your moves throughout the day. So let's get the comment section. Just like, let's encourage each other. If you see somebody say I'm in or I'm doing it, say yay, me too. I'm so excited to cheer you on. Like, let's just spread some love and positivity in the comments down below, okay? I'm also gonna be meal prepping some food for this camping trip. And what I think I'm gonna take with me are egg cups and protein pancakes, because they're just quick and easy things that I can just grab, and I don't feel like I really have to heat them up, or at least I don't personally. I don't mind just like, or I can put them in a pan. Like, it's just an easy thing to bring with me. Yeah, so I will show you guys that later if I meal prep those. I will link a video that shows exactly this recipe. I'll also put the recipe in the description box down below for you. I believe I made like a full dedicated recipe on my website, CharleneTown.it, so you can try this recipe if you want. It's so delicious. I love it so much. And honestly, I've been eating it ever since I posted that video because it's so good. I can't have anything else. Does anybody else get that way? Every couple minutes I get somebody new signing up to the challenge, and it's like, I'm just so excited to cheer you guys all on. I'm so excited that you guys are excited to do this like mini challenge with me, and that you guys want to move your bodies and that I can inspire you to move your bodies. It just makes my heart so freaking happy. This is exactly what I've always wanted. Like, you guys, this community, you guys are all like everything I've ever wanted. It's just magical. Ooh, I gotta go get my daughter. I have to stop talking. Okay, love you. I will show you guys my smoothie in the end. Bye. Liv does choc cherry, and of course she wants a matching cup just like mama. Like I said, while I was meal prepping lunch, we are heading out to go camping. So I am meal prepping some food to take with me to make sure that I'm continuing to eat high protein and just eat in a way that feels good for my body. And honestly, I do this whether I'm on a fat loss phase or not, because I've had a very restrictive diet since 2020 because I had SIBO gut issues. It just really helped me set myself up for success wherever I go, whether I'm traveling on an airplane or I'm going to a friend's house or I'm going to a party or I'm going to a dinner or I'm going camping, I set myself up for success. I pack food and I make food. So today I am making egg cups and protein pancakes to take with me because they will be really quick, really easy things for me to eat. And then tonight, you guys, is back to school night for Liv. So we are eating like the quickest, easiest dinner ever. I am just barbecuing some skirt steak because it cooks so fast. It's so delicious. Everybody loves it. Just salt and pepper. I will track that in my app, but I'll have that and some steamed vegetables. That's it for today's video, you guys. I really hope that it was helpful for you. I hope that you got some inspiration. If you guys have any questions about what I'm doing, or if you guys are just following along with my journey, I am so excited for the next 8 weeks. We're almost done with week 1, and it's just been a really great experience so far, and there'll be lots more videos in this series. And honestly, for the last 90 days of the year, like, we're gonna just be continuing on this healthy lifestyle journey, because for me, I never give up. I just modify. So when my body started putting on weight, I just got curious and I started working with a holistic doctor, like, hey, what's going on? And trying to figure all that stuff out. And I'm never trying to hide that from you guys, that I put on a little bit of weight, because I'm a woman and my body is going to be changing. I'm sure I'll move into perimenopause soon, and then I'll have to deal with those hormone shifts. And so I think it's important for us to show what we're doing at all aspects of our life. And for me, it's just about learning to listen to my body and doing what's best for me now. And right now I am really excited to, let's just see how this goes, and will be very eye-opening in the next 8 weeks. So at the end of 8 weeks, we're gonna hopefully see a really great change, and I'm so excited. So if this is content that you guys like to see, if this was really helpful, let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget, if you guys are doing the Let's Get Moving challenge, comment down below. Let's keep the motivation going. Let's keep encouraging each other and supporting each other. Anytime you see someone say, I'm in, or I'm doing the challenge, like, give them a little heart and maybe like send them a little, yay, me too, you're doing a great job. Like, let's just hype each other up and cheer each other on, because this community is so beautiful. I love you guys all so much. You're so kind, you're so positive, and I love you guys so much. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.